Now go and pet the animals on the farm. Alright. Feel the soft, fluffy chicks. Don't mind the bright light in your face. You know, fuzzy right there. Ooh. Alright. Soft, fluffy chicks. Ooh. Yeah, pet the little baby chicks. Oh, yeah, they like that. Ooh. They like to be chewed on, too. Pet the velvety, smooth horse. See right there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, and then, yep, horse likes to be chewed on also. Alright, and here's the sheepdog's furry tummy. He really likes that. Did you just lick the doggy? Did you lick the doggy? Oh, nice and fuzzy. Ooh. We're gonna go to the next one. And here's the lamb's thick, woolly coat. Oh, nice and soft. Alright, last one. Here's the piglet's bristly head. Oh, it feels rough, doesn't it? I don't like feeling that one so much. It's not as fun as the furry stuff. But piglets like to be chewed on also. Your daddy would say they taste good too.
We're going to eat pig tonight. Oh. It's in the slow cooker right now.
Oh, horrible.
Pork tacos. All right. Say bye, Brody.
Say night-night, animals.
Night-night.
Night-night.